Hey guys, today I'm doing a quick video on how to access, analyze, and save in SPSS. Once you've downloaded the app over here with the receiver, you'll go into it. You'll need to put in your username and password when you get to the screen before this opens up right here, but this will be what you get to. First, you're going to need to do your database, so you can import your database or you can put a new database in. We'll create a new database and say open. And you see we get our columns with the variables. We'll say these are ratings. Now this is being done, I'm doing this on an iPad Air right now, so the way we're going to do this is click on the down arrow when we want the keyboard and click on the keyboard, and that pulls it up for us. So you'll automatically see we'll be able to adjust this information in a minute once we drop the keyboard back down. But we'll put our scoring information in first. We'll put our data in. And we'll say that's group A, and then this is group B. Okay, now to drop our keyboard back down, we're going to come up and click on it again. Now we're in data view to see our numbers and our variables, and we see right here it just has variable 1 and variable 2, and we can change these. What we need to do is come down to our variable tab right here and click on it. This is where if we scroll over we'll see where we can adjust our decimals, our widths. We can click on the names right here. So we said, would say this is group A, and we named this one group B. Okay, so we named our variables. So now we come to analyzing, and when we come to wanting to get our mean, median, mode, and variables, we're going to come to analyze, descriptive statistics, we can go to descriptives. And do it this way, or we can come to analyze, our frequencies, click which variable we want the numbers for, and it brings us to, I'll come in a little closer, standard deviation, variance, range, minimum, maximum, SE. You've got your mean, median, which we're going to click right now, mean, median, and mode. Also our skewedness if we wanted that. How about our we'll also click off our standard deviation. So we're going to continue after we click the ones that we want, and you notice we just put in our variables for A. If we wanted both, we'd do A and B. If we want charts, say histograms, we'll go here and click on our button for histograms. We don't have to. This is just another area. So we're going to say OK. And now our information comes up. On the iPad, you have to do a lot of scrolling because it only gives us a certain amount. So I'm going to come down. You notice here's our mean, median, and mode. It's a little harder. And here's our histogram with our frequencies and our information, and I chose normal curve, so it showed us our normal curve as well, and all our information for group A. Now our last step would be how we're going to save our information if we want to save it. Option A is if we want to click on this, we can copy and we can paste this into and open up a Word document and put it in there, which is one way. Or we can come to File and we can export our file. We have our output, what information is there, whether we want all of it visible or not. Our file name is right here, that we could change it. We can go to Browse where we want to put it. This is one that I created at another time right here. Once we figure out where we want to save it to, we save. And it'll tell us that we saved. A lot of times we'll see our reset button, paste button, cancel, help, and OK also. I remember the suggestion to open the containing folder. When you do this, we click on it, so I've grown accustomed to clicking on it, and that opens my information right after I save, which is nice. And that's the basics.